Hejsa. When I shared these little sketchbooks last week, I forgot to mention a little project that I made from one of the sketches. Let's see, so I had this sketchbook just lying around in my studio, and whenever I looked at it I thought, oh, that would be kind of fun to make in a fabric version. So I did. It's not exactly the same. Let's just move that way. So here's the sketch, and here's the fabric version. So obviously this has more details in it, and this is not exactly to scale. Like there's more leaves here and more of these curvy sections in the sketch, and I also changed some of the colors, but more or less it's the same, and it was fun to make, but also quite fiddly because all these sort of curvy bits. So what I did to turn it from the paper sketch into the fabric version is that I drew a larger version from this, and then I copied that and cut it into the various sections so that I could use that as a template for the fabric pieces. I think if I made something similar another time, I would hopefully find ways of simplifying it a little bit, because all these shapes, they're just sort of all over the place, and making sure that what is under other pieces are the right size and shape so that they fit and there aren't gaps. You can actually see here I had cut the light pink a little bit too small, so I had to add a little piece on there, which is actually supposed to go under the orange scallop here, but it doesn't. So even the fix is not working properly. But it was a fun little creative exercise to try to do. I think there are some of the sketches in here that would be fun to try, and like this one here, or this one, or even this one. And then I could maybe use a black thread for the stitching to add some contrast, like I've done here with the pen on top of the markers. So you never know what a random sketch can turn into. For now, I don't have any plans to make any more from any of these, although I would like to. I'm not sure what I would use them for, and I'm also not sure how big to make them. So this is quite small. This is about the same size as a piece of A4 paper. I don't know if maybe it would be interesting to make it really big, or maybe make a quilt that is made up of all different random sketches turned into fabric. I don't know. What would that even look like? I can try and put it together like that. I don't know if these would work, but maybe something like that. Maybe that would work. Or maybe that would be a little bit too crazy. I don't know. What would you do? Would you take one of them and blow them up to a huge size? Or take smaller ones and put them together to make your quilt? Or a wall hanging or whatever. But as I said, for now, because I have enough projects I need to work on, I'm not going to work on this at all. But I would really like to. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. If you did, please give it a like. And I hope you have a great day and happy stitching or sketching or whatever you're making.